So Act 2, Scene 9. The scene shifts to Portia's house at Belmont, where the Prince of Aragon uh, makes his choice of the caskets. So এটা হলা Portia's house, where Prince of Aragon makes his choice. He selects the silver casket which contains the idiot's head. ହେଲା ये पूर्वटा से गोल्डन प्रिंस ऑफ मोरोको ये प्रिंस ऑफ आरागन कौन कला ना सिल्वर कास्केट सिल्वर स्टैंड्स फॉर कंसीट ओके vanity and a self deception all the three traits of Aragon's personality and these are the Aragon's personality. Acha, Portia is quite relieved as Aragon departs. She is then informed of the arrival of a Venetian suitor. तापर Venetian suitor की गोटे आसुची. Nerissa prays that the new suitor should be Bassanio. से Bassanio बोली Nerissa कहूची. Thus ends the second act. Okay. With the anticipation of a fulfillment of the lottery of the caskets. Belmont रे एटा a Portia a room in Portia's house. Enter Nerissa with a servant. Nerissa कहूची quick I pray thee draw the curtain straight माने कॉटन अच्छा कॉटन स्ट्रेट कॉटन पकई दियो अच्छा the Prince of Aragon has taken his oath and comes to his election presently. So तामाने he will election माने he to make his choice. Okay, presently माने now. से आसुची के Prince of Aragon. Flourish of cornets. Flourish of cornets. Enter the Prince of Aragon, Portia and their trains. Okay. Portia कहूची behold देखो हैला there stand the caskets गुड़ा सब अच्छी noble prince बोली ता कहूची if you choose that wherein I am content मु जोटे अच्छी जदि तमे ताको चूज कर दबो ओके in which I am encased मु जहा भितर अच्छी content okay traits are our nuptial rights be solemnized marriage ceremony हैला nuptial rights हैला marriage ceremony will be solemnized माने will be performed हैला but if you fail without more speech my lord you must be gone from hence immediately एटू तुमको जीवाक पड़ो हैला यदि फेल करियो Aragon कहला I am enjoined by oath enjoined माने I am bound by oath माने जो both oath नहीं ची to observe three things okay first never to unfold to anyone which casket it was I chose मु काहाकू बतेबिनी कोनटा चूज करे next if I fail of the right casket never in my life to owe a maid in way of marriage then आउ काहाकू marriage करिबिनी हैला lastly if I do fail in fortune of my choice immediately to leave you and be gone संगे संगे पळेबी एतरे किछि संदेह नै पळेबी पोर्सिया कहला to these injunctions okay to this injunction माने it condition to these conditions Okay. To these conditions, ହେଲା, even sorry, everyone does sure that comes to hazard for my worthless self. Okay, ସମସ୍ତେ ତ sure କରୁଛନ୍ତି, right? ସମସ୍ତେ oath ନଉଛନ୍ତି। Aragon କହିଲା and so have I addressed me. Okay, so have I addressed me ମାନେ ଆଚ୍ଛା, ତାମାନେ and I have prepared myself accordingly। ସେ କହିଲା yes, ମୁଁ ବି ସେମିତି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ ହେଇଛି। Fortune now to my heart's hope। Okay, fortune now my heart's hope ମାନେ may fortune now favor the hopes of my heart। So fortune now to my heart's hope। So I am ମାନେ depending on the fortune। Okay, my heart is hoping what let fortune produce, gold, silver and best lead। Okay, who chooses me must give and hazard all he has। ହେଲା, ସେଇଟା କହିଲା କୋଉଥିରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ବେଷ୍ଟ ଲିଡରେ, ନାଇଁ କି? You shall look fairer ere I give you or hazard। Okay, ere ମାନେ before, I give or hazard। You shall look fairer। Okay, acha, Aragon makes the same error as Morocco। He does not realize that a risk has to be taken for Portia's sake, not as he says for lead। So এটা lead ପାଇଁ ମାନେ risk ସେ ନଉନି, risk ନବାକୁ ହବ ପୋର୍ସିଆ ପାଇଁ, ସେଟା ସେ ବୁଝି ପାରିଲାନି। You shall look fairer before I give or hazard। ଆଚ୍ଛା, what says the gold before I give or hazard। Okay, before I give or hazard ମାନେ so ତାକୁ ସେ କହୁଛି you shall look fairer, ତା ମାନେ ମୁଁ କରିବିନି, ମୁଁ ହାଜାର୍ଡ କରିବିନି ତୋ ଲାଗି, ହେଲା। ଆଚ୍ଛା, what says the golden chest। ଏଇ ବକ୍ସଟା କ'ଣ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି? let me see। who chooses me shall gain what many men desire। Okay, ତେଣୁ ସେ ଆରଟା ପଢିଲା what many men desire, that many may be meant by the full multitude ମାନେ ଯେତେ ବୋକା ଲୋକ, that choose by so, ଯୋଉମାନେ ଚୁଜ୍ କରନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ଦେଖିକିରେ ଉପରଟାକୁ, not learning more than the fond eye does teach। ହେଲା, ଫଣ୍ଡ ଆଇ ଯେତିକି ଦେଖଉଛି ମାନେ ଫଣ୍ଡ ଆଇ ଯୋଉଟା ଫୁଲିସ୍ ଆଇ, ଫଣ୍ଡ ଆଇ ଯେତିକି ଦେଖୁଛି ତାଠୁ ବେଶୀ ସେମାନେ ଭାବନ୍ତିନି। which prize not to the interior, prize not does not look more closely, prize not to the interior, but like the martlet। Okay, martlet মানে the home martin, the house martin, a bird which builds a nest of mud in the open air। Okay, on the outer walls of the houses, ହେଲା। So who prize not to the interior but like the martlet builds in the weather, ହେଲା, open on the outward wall ମାନେ ସିଏ କ'ଣ କରେ, ଘରଟା ବନାଏ ବାହାରେ ଯାଇକିରି, ହେଲା। even in the force and a road of casualty। Okay, ତାମାନେ କ'ଣ ହବ, ତା ଘରଟା ଅଛି ପୁଣି ବର୍ଷା ଫର୍ଷା ହେଲେ ନେଇଯିବ, ଭାଙ୍ଗିଯିବ। ତେଣୁ even in the force and a road of casualty, so casualty ହବାର ଚାନ୍ସ ଅଛି, disaster ହବାର ଚାନ୍ସ ଅଛି। so even in the force and road of casualty, so disaster ଯୋଉ ହେବାର ଚାନ୍ସ ଅଛି, so ସେଠି, ହେଲା, ସେଠି ସେ ଯାଇକି ଘର କରେ, ହେଲା। and in the very path of danger, ହେଲା। सो सेठी जाइकी से घर करे बोकांग भलिया घर भितर जाई करेनी हैला आई विल नॉट चोज व्हाट मेनी मेन डिजायर हैला because I will not jump with the common spirits and they rank me with the barbarous multitudes. So goes barbarous. Okay. So move. Okay. And put myself on the level. Oh, that means rank me of the ignorant, barbarous, ignorant and the foolish look. Sang the barbarous. Hala? Barbarous multitude. Okay. Huh? Multitude माने लोक गुड़ा why then to you thou silver treasure house तापरे silver treasure house tell me once more what title thou does bear ହେଲା तापरे से आसीगला कोडी की silver ହେଲା who chooses me shall get as much as he deserves ହେଲା से कहला and well said too for who shall go about to cozen fortune okay cozen माने to cheat fortune okay and be honorable without the stamp of merit ହେଲା for who shall go about to cozen fortune and be honorable ହେଲା be honorable without the stamp of the merit let none presume to wear an undeserved dignity okay ताମାନେ से कहूची pretend to be dignified when he cannot show that he is worthy of such a dignity let no one wear the garb okay of nobility unless he fully deserves it okay से कहूची माने and well said too for who shall go about to cozen fortune and be honorable without the stamp of merit तामाने merit न थाई किरी किए honorable हेबाकु चाहिबो हैला let none presume to wear an undeserved dignity मोर जदि dignity deserve करियार नाही ताले not to wear it बुझिपारल से कहूची अच्छा ओ दैट states degrees and offices states माने social ranks lordship knighthoods these are the states degrees okay post of honor in an hierarchy okay superior to this acha and all is superior to viscount and viscount is superior to a baron है जो hierarchy अच्छी okay so से कहूची ये जो degrees and offices माने appointments so we are not derived corruptly से कहूची सेड़ा सब भलरे आसीची तामाने they are not obtained dishonestly and that clear honor were purchased by the merit of the wearer so merit जोगु सेड़ा से पाई थांती how many then should cover that stand bare okay so सबु पाई थांती कौन merit रे नहीं कि अच्छा अच्छा how many that should cover बुझिपारल नहीं cover that stand bare okay so तामाने से कहूची cover keep their heads covered to remain covered is to show superiority of rank while the inferior must remove his hat and stand bareheaded. ହେଲା? So how many then should cover that stand bare? Huh? How many then should cover huh? that stand bare? Acha. How many be commanded that command? ହେଲା? How many then should cover huh? that stand bare? Acha. How many? ହେଲା? So ହେଲା? So to remain covered ମାନେ କଣ? To show superiority of rank. Huh? So how many then should cover and stand bare? How many be commanded that command? ହେଲା? So it is କହୁଛି there are many who should cover their heads out of respect to their superiors. ମାନେ ଆମେ କ୍ୟାପ୍ ପିନ୍ଧିବାକୁ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ସୁପରିୟର କୁ ବୁଝିଲା ବଟ୍ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ଦେ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ବେୟାର ହେଡେଡ ହେଲା ସେ କଭର ସେ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ନ ଦେଇକିରି ସେ ବେୟାର ହେଡେଡ ଛିଡା ହୁଅନ୍ତି thus showing no respect. There are many who should cover their heads in front of those respectable men. ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ who stand bareheaded ହେଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା how many should have next ହଉଛି how many should have to obey orders ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ତାମାନେ ସେ କହୁଛି how many be commanded that command ମାନେ ଏବେ ଯିଏ କମାଣ୍ଡ ଦଉଛି ଯିଏ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ କମାଣ୍ଡ ଦଉଛି ସେ କମାଣ୍ଡେଡ ଆଉ ହବ କି ସେ ଆଉ କାହା କଥା ଶୁଣିବ କି ହେଲା how many should cover କେତେଟା ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ମୁଣ୍ଡ କଭର କରିବେ ହେଲା ଯୋଉମାନେ ଏବେ କଭର କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଯୋଉମାନେ ଉପର ପୋଜିସନରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ କି ସେମାନେ ଆଉ କଭର କରିବେ କି ସେମାନେ ଆଉ କ୍ୟାପ ଗୋଡେଇକିରି ଛିଡା ହେବେ କି ତଳେ how much low peasantry would then be gleaned okay low peasantry okay acha in the Middle Ages there were two classes of people the upper class of nobility who were men of honor and the lower class who were base cultivators ଚାଷୀ ଲୋକ of soil ସେମାନେ low peasantry ତାକୁ କହନ୍ତି so how much low peasantry would then be gleaned okay gleaned ମାନେ to collect grain left behind after crops are harvested okay
ସେମାନେ ଚାଷ କରନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ ଚାଷ କଲା ପରେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ନେଇକି ନା ତା ବଞ୍ଚିଥିବ ହେରା ନବା ପଡେ ନା
ଆଚ୍ଛା so ଆଚ୍ଛା how much low peasantry would then be gleaned ହେଲା ତାମାନେ to collect grain left behind after crops are harvested okay so harvesting ପଳେଇଲା କେତେ ଲୋକ ପୁଣି ଆହୁରି ଯୋଉଟା ବଳିଛି ସେଟା ନେବେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ କି ନାଇଁ okay acha gleaned mane to collect grain acha from the true seed of honor hela to se kochi acha how many of those who belong to the lower class would be picked out from the true sons of the nobility okay how many of those who belong to the lower class would be picked out from the true sons of nobility ତେଣୁ true sons of nobility ଯେତେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତା ଭିତରୁ କେତେ ଜଣ ଲୋ କ୍ଲାସ ର ଲୋକ ବାହାରିବେ ହେଲା ବୋଲି ସେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରୁଛି how many true seed of honor and how much honor be picked from the chaff okay acha ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ କି from the chaff and ruin of times ओके सो ता माने कहूची ट्रू सीड ऑफ ऑनर ट्रू सन्स ऑफ नोबिलिटी केते जण बाहरिबे chaff and ruin of times those who are outcast and ruined जो माने ruin हे जाइछन्ती chaff चोपा हला जो माने पूरा ruin हे जाइछन्ती तांको भितरु केते जण बाहरिबे how many true seed हला how many true son of honor केतेटा भल लोक केतेटा साधु लोक बाहरिबे हला हला बुझिपारछ कि जो माने आउटकास्ट हे जाइछन्ती तांको भितरु हला टू बी न्यू varnished केते जण बाहरिबे कुड बी हला अच्छा अच्छा तापर से कहूची picked from the chaff and ruin of times to be new varnished okay so to be new varnished माने how much truly honorable could be sorted out from the modern rubbish to be given its original splendor हैला सो एई लोकंको भितरु केते जण बाहरिबे टू बी न्यू varnished ता माने तांको ओरिजिनल स्प्लेंडर देखैया पई बुझले कि चमत्कारिता वेल बट टू माय चॉइस एवढा सब से कहला कहीं से पढ़िला हु चूजेस मी शैल गेट आज मच आज ही डिजर्व्स हैला तेणु जणे डिजर्व कर समस्त कहे मु डिजर्व करूची किए कहबेनी मु डिजर्व करू बुझी पारजे नै तेणु जेडे बड़ लोकटे हेले भी से कहबो मु डिजर्व करूची बुझी पारले अच्छा हु चूजेस मी शैल गेट आज मच आज ही डिजर्व्स हैला आई विल अस्यूम डेजर्ट ओके से कहूची जे आई विल क्लेम टू बी डिजर्विंग ओके आई विल अस्यूम डेजर्ट ता माने से कहूची केते जण करिवे माने मु करिवि हैला आई एम हैला मु बड़ हेले भी मु पुणी दबिबि हैला बोली से कहूची बुझि पाछ कि गिव मी ए की फॉर दिस ए तेणु कहूची मु बड़ हेले भी मु कहबि मु कम रे अछि हैला गिव मी ए की फॉर दिस एंड इंस्टेंटली अनलॉक माय फॉर्च्यून हियर ओके से बोली मागिला या कहिगिरी ही ओपन्स द सिल्वर कास्केट पोर्सिया देखिला पोर्सिया कहला टू लॉन्ग ए पॉज फॉर दैट व्हिच यू फाइंड देयर हैला से कहला यू पॉज टू लॉन्ग फॉर वन who has found good fortune हैला you pause too long for one who has found good fortune अच्छा too long a pause for that which you find there for that माने good fortune okay which you find there आरागन कहला what is here से कहला कौन एठी अछि जे good fortune the portrait of a blinking idiot ता भीतर अछि presenting me a schedule हैला ओके प्रेजेंटिंग मी ए शेड्यूल हैला गोटे लेखा है कौन गोटे से गोटे इडियट अच्छी मत गोटे लेखाटे देखुची देछि हैला आई विल रीड इट कौन मु लेखा है पढ़ी हाउ मच अनलाइक आर यू टू पोर्सिया से कहूची येटा यू आर नॉट लाइक पोर्सिया हाउ मच अनलाइक माई हो हेटा कहूची रीड करनी पर्यंत से कहूची यू आर नॉट लाइक पोर्सिया माने से जे भाबितिला हाउ मच अनलाइक आर यू ओके टू पोर्सिया बुझि पाछन नै से कहला पिक्चर को कहूची पिक्चर ऑफ द इडियट हैला हैला अच्छा से कहूची हाउ मच अनलाइक यू तू तो ता भले देखा जाउनु हैला हाउ मच अनलाइक माय होप्स माने होप्स जोटा मु भाबितिली एंड माय डिजर्विंग्स सेटा तो पूरा अलगा आसला अच्छा who judged me shall have as much as he deserves did I deserve no more than a fool's head हैला मु एते मु डिजर्व करेनी कि is that my prize and my deserts no better ହେଲା से कहूची माय डेजर्ट्स कौन कहला
डिजर्विंग
डिजर्विंग सो डिजर्विंग नो बेटर ହେଲା से कहूची अच्छा ହେଲା तापर पोर्सिया कहला टू ऑफेंड एंड जज आर डिस्टिंक्ट ऑफिसेस ହେଲା टू ऑफेंड एंड जज हैं अच्छा टू डिस्टिंक्ट ऑफिसेस हैं माने टू डिस्टिंक्ट एक्शंस टू कमिट एन ऑफेंस एंड टू पास जजमेंट जने भूल करवा और जजमेंट दवा on the offense are quite different actions and in their nature they are opposed to each other hela Aragon has done wrong in the choosing the wrong casket but he is unable to judge himself hela tamane hela has done wrong se gote offend karichi hela au karichi hela offend karichi je wrong casket choose karichi but he is unable to judge himself also he has not judged himself right huh? acha Portia कहला to offend and judge are distinct offices and of opposed natures okay acha Aragon कहूची what is here se read କରୁଛି the fire 7 times tried this okay sorry fire 7 times tried this okay acha 7 times tried that judgment is that did never chose amiss some there be that shadows kiss some there be that shadows kiss tamane embrace illusions believe in what is not acha such have but a shadows bliss okay only the illusion of a happiness shadows bliss acha there be fools alive I wish silver silver ହେଲା I wish ମାନେ surely certainly or perhaps I know there are some foolish people okay there are fools alive who are disguised by the silver hair of the old age yeah there be fools alive I wish silvered over ମାନେ ସିଲଭର୍ଡ ଓଭର ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ସିଲଭର ମାନେ ଚୁଟି ପାଚି ଯାଇଛି ସେ ଚୁଟି ପାଚିବା ଲୋକ ସବୁ ବୁଝିଆ ନୁହନ୍ତି ହେଲା and so was this okay ସେ କହୁଛି so was this casket disguised with the covering of silver ହେଲା ତେଣୁ ଏଇଟା କାସ୍କେଟଟା ବି ସେଇଭଳିଆ ଗୋଟେ ସିଲଭର ହେଲେ ବି ସେ ଓଲ୍ଡ ମାନେ ବୁଦ୍ଧିମାନ ବୋଲି ଭାବୁଥିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ନୁହଁ ହେଲା I will ever be your head ସେ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଏବେ ତୋ ହେଡରେ ସବୁବେଳେ ରହିବି ମାନେ ଲାଇକ୍ I will be so worse ତାମାନେ whose foolishness is concealed by the silver hair of age ବୁଝିପାରିଲ I ମାନେ କିଏ କହୁଛି ଦି ବ୍ଲିଙ୍କିଂ ଇଡିଅଟ ଟା କହୁଛି I will be over your head ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ତୋ ହେଡରେ ତୋ ଇଏରେ ରହିବି I will stay longer here I shall not look more of a fool ଆଚ୍ଛା still more fool I shall appear ହେଲା ସେ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ରହିବି still more fool I shall appear ହେଲା by the time I linger here ମୁଁ ରହିବି with one fool's head I came to woo okay acha but I go away with two ତାମାନେ I came here as a fool ସେ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଫୁଲ ଭଳିଆ ଆସିଥିଲି and I depart as a double fool ହେଲା ତାମାନେ ତୁ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଫୁଲ ହେଲୁ I depart I go with two ହେଲା sweet adieu कौची आई विल कीप माई ओथ पेशेंटली टू बियर माई वर्थ है से ताको कहला पेशेंट वर्थ पेशेंटली टू सफर माई फीलिंग्स of resentment or misfortune. Patiently to suffer my feelings. So, sweet adieu, I will keep my oath. Patiently to bear my worth. हाँ तामाने मोर worth my worth is misfortune है पुरुषिया कहला thus has the candle signed the moth sing the moth है has the candle sorry पुरुषिया कहला thus has the candle sing the moth है से कौची Aragon is here compared to a foolish insect a moth that has a fluttered around से बुलुथिला है a bright around a bright light बुलुथिला and has been burnt से वर्तमान singed हो जाइछि माने burnt हो जाइछि right so oh these deliberate fools fools who give possible reasons for their actions so many deliberate fools they when they do choose they have the wisdom by their wit to lose अच्छा तामाने fools who give possible reasons for their actions the right choice does not depend on a reasoning but on an instinct love which should have been prepared to hazard all he has ହେଲା ତେଣୁ ସେ କହୁଛି then they to choose when acha oh these deliberate fools when they do choose they have the wisdom by their wit to lose okay so they have the wisdom by their wit ହେଲା to lose they have the wisdom ତାଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ହବ wisdom କେତିକି ଅଛି ନା to lose ହେଲା so they have no proper wisdom ହେଲା to save themselves Nerisha କହିଲା the ancient saying is no hearsay the ancient saying is no hearsay their reasoning wit gives them enough intelligence to make the wrong choice and thus to lose है अच्छा ancient saying माने old proverb ए जोटा से कहला कि पुरुषिया जोटा कहला कौन ये जो they have the wisdom by their wit to lose that is the ancient saying है नेरिसा कहला the ancient saying is no hearsay माने no false teaching so এটা ঠিক कहूची हैं बुझिपार नॉट वेरी माने से कहूची ट्रू बोली अच्छा hanging and waving goes by destiny है so hanging माने फांसी पाइबा है and waving माने marrying goes by destiny से कहूची है अच्छा तापरे डेस्टिनी वर्षिया कहला कम ड्र दि कटन नेरिसा से तो चूज करिकी गलानी तेणु कहला कटन टाणी दे है गोटे सर्वेंट आसी सर्वेंट कहूँ वेयर इज माय लेडी वर्षिया कहूँ हियर व्हाट वुड माय लॉर्ड तू कौन कहया चाहूचु है व्हाट वुड माय लॉर्ड माने पोर्सिया जोकिंग विथ हर सर्वेंट लॉर्ड बोली से तापर से जो लेडी कही से कही लॉर्ड कही तार डिफरेंट तार अपोजिट रे से कही राइट अच्छा तापर सर्वेंट कहूँ मैडम देयर इज अलाइटेड है अलाइटेड माने ओल्लैची एट योर गेट ए यंग वेनेटियन है अलाइटेड माने कौन डिसमाउंटेड ओल्लैची फ्रॉम द हॉर्स ओल्लैची एट योर गेट ए यंग वेनेटियन one that comes before to signify ଦି ଆପ୍ରୋଚିଂ ଅଫ୍ ହିଜ୍ ଲର୍ଡ ହେଲା ୟଙ୍ଗ ଭେନେଟିଆନ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଆସିଛି ୱାନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ କମ୍ସ ବିଫୋର୍ ହେଲା ସେ ଆସିଛି ଆଗୁଆ କମ୍ସ ବିଫୋର୍ ଆଗୁଆ ଆସିଛି ସିଗ୍ନିଫାଏ ଦି ଆପ୍ରୋଚିଂ ଅଫ୍ ହିଜ୍ ଲର୍ଡ ତା ଲର୍ଡ ଆସୁଛି ବୋଲି ସେ କହିଲା ହେଲା ଏଠି ସେ ଆସିନି ସେ ଲୋକଟା ତା ଲୋକ ଆସିଛି ଫ୍ରମ୍ ହୁମ୍ ହି ବ୍ରିଙ୍ଗଥ୍ ସେନ୍ସିବୁଲ ରିଗ୍ରିଟ୍ସ ହେଲା ସେ ଆଣିଛି who brings ସେ ଆସୁଛି ସେନ୍ସିବୁଲ ସେ ଆଣିଛି ସବଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସିଆଲ ସେନ୍ସିବୁଲ ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ସବଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସିଆଲ ମାନେ ବେଶ ହେଲା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ not only words of greetings but also gifts ହେଲା regrets to wit ସେ କହୁଛି besides commands and courteous breath ହେଲା so to wit ତାମାନେ ସେ କହୁଛି that is to say to wit ମାନେ that is to say ସେ ଆଣିଛି commands ତ ଆଣିଛି comments ମାନେ compliments ଆଣିଛି ହେଲା comments ଆଣିଛି commendable ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟା କହନ୍ତି କ'ଣ ପ୍ରଶଂସା ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ତେଣୁ comments ତ ଆଣିଛି and courteous breath ବି ଆଣିଛି courteous breath okay breath ମାନେ words courteous breath ମାନେ ଭଦ୍ର ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ସବୁ ଆଣିଛି ମାନେ ଭଲ ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ସେ ଆଣିଛି ଭଲ କଥା ଗିଫ୍ଟସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ରିଚ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ଆଣିଛି ହେଲା yet I have not seen so likely an ambassador of love ମୁଁ ଏମିତିଆ କେବେ ଦେଖିନି a day in April never came so sweet ହେଲା ସେ କହୁଛି ବୁଝିଲା କି ତ ତେଣୁ day in April ହେଲା never came so sweet ହେଲା ଆଗରୁ କେବେ ଏମିତି ହେଇନି ବୁଝିପାରିଲ so likely an ambassador so likely ମାନେ so in appearance so likely ମାନେ ହେଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା to show how costly summer was at hand ମାନେ ସେଇଟା କହିଲା ଏପ୍ରିଲରେ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି କେବେ ଦେଖିନି ଏ ଡେ ଇନ୍ ଏପ୍ରିଲ ନେଭର କେମ୍ ସୋ ସୁଇଟ୍ ହେଲା ଟୁ ଶୋ ହାଉ କଷ୍ଟଲି ସମର ୱାଜ୍ ଆଟ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଏମିତିଆ ଦିନ ଆସିନି ଯେ ଜଣେଇବ ଯେ ହାଉ ଗର୍ଜିୟସ୍ ତାମାନେ ଏପ୍ରିଲ ପରେ କହୁଛି ସମର ଆସେ ତେଣୁ ସେ କହୁଛି ସମର ଆସିନି ହେଲା ଏ ଯୋଉ କିନ୍ତୁ ଟୁ ଶୋ ହାଉ କଷ୍ଟଲି ସମର ମାନେ ସେ ଜଣେଇ ଦଉଛି ଯେ ସମରଟା ବି କେମିତି ହେଇଥିବ was at hand ହେଲା ସମର କେତେ ବଢିଆ ଆସିବ referring to nature splendor in the summer season ହେଲା as this four spurrer ହେଲା ଏଇ four spurrer ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କିଏ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକଟା ହେରାଲ୍ଡ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ମେସେଞ୍ଜର one who spurs on his horse ହେଲା in advance of main party so messenger ହଁ yes ତେଣୁ so ସେ କହୁଛି ମାନେ ଇଏ ଆଗୁଆ ଆସିଛି ଏପ୍ରିଲଟା ତାଙ୍କର ସେଇଟା ଆଗୁଆ ଆସେ ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ମାନେ ସେ କହୁଛି ଏତେ ବଢିଆ ଆସିଛି ତେଣୁ ତାର ଯୋଉ ଲୋକଟା ଆସିବ ତା ମାଲିକ କେତେ ବଢିଆ ହେଇଥିବ ଆଚ୍ଛା ପର୍ସିଆ କହୁଛି no more I pray you କହୁଛି ଆଉ କହନି I am half afraid thou will say anon ତୁ ହେଲେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କହିବୁ ଆନନ ମାନେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ହେଲା he is some kin to you ତୁ ହେଲେ ଏତେ ବୁଝେଇଲୁଣି ତା ବିଷୟରେ କହିଲୁଣି ମୁଁ ଲାଗୁଛି ତୋର ଗୋଟେ ରିଲେସନ thou spendst ହେଲା ତୁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲୁ thou spendst such high day wit in praising him ତୁ ଯେତେ କରୁଛୁ କ'ଣ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ମାନେ ଯେତେ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କଲୁଣି କରୁଛୁ ଟାଇମ ସଚ୍ ହାଇ ଡେ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ହାଇ ଡେ ୱିଟ୍ ହଲିଡେ ହ୍ୟୁମର ତେଣୁ ହାଇ ଡେ ୱିଟ୍ ତୁ ଯେତେ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କଲୁଣି ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ସଚ୍ ହାଇ ଡେ ୱିଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ପ୍ରେଜିଂ ହିମ୍ ଓକେ ତେଣୁ ତୁ ଏତେ ବଢିଆ କିରି ବତେଇଲୁଣି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ତୋର ସେ ଗୋଟେ ରିଲେଟିଭ କମ୍ ନେରିସା or I long to see we cupids ହେଲା post क्विक क्यूपिड्स पोस्ट हाँ पोस्ट माने मेसेंजर एठी हैला पोस्ट हैला क्विक क्यूपिड्स पोस्ट क्यूपिड माने द क्लासिकल गॉड ऑफ लव के आसीबो हैला सिते बतेलाणी से तार पोस्ट को मु देखिबी जाउची मु देखिबी कि तार मेसेंजर दैट कम्स सो मैनरली एते सुंदर भाव रे आसीची कोटियसली आसीची हैला मु जाउ देखिबी नेरिसा कहला वासानियो लॉर्ड लव if you if thy you eh, will it be if thy you will it be if you will it be I mean I hope it will be it is thy will it is thy will that this is Basanyo O God of love हैला so से एक्सपेक्ट करछि it is Basanyo बुझबेला